Hi everyone. In this episode, while we are waiting for a weather window, we are getting things done on the boat. So I hope you enjoy.
Because there's a big storm coming through, we're going to have several days of tremendous amount of rain. Our rear hatch has been leaking a bit, and that's because the UV rays of the sun really begin to kind of degrade the kind of rubber lining of the where the plexiglass meets the frame. We need to have it replaced, but in the meantime, we're just going to do like a quick covering up, just so we don't have dripping on our bed. It doesn't look very pretty, but it does get the job done temporarily until we can attend to it. It's on our list. Those of you that have old sailboats know you got a list of stuff to get to, and it's kind of like take a number and wait your turn.
So we want to extend the green wire that's in the laser. It looks like it's a bonding wire, and it doesn't reach right now where we had it attached, so we have to extend it. So then he got some more wire, and we put a new eye on the end, and we're going to have to splice this end to existing wire, and then cover it with the heat shrink. And so got my stuff ready, and see if we can't do this. It can just, yeah.
All right, what you got down there?
Well, it's a different gauge.
All right, well, until we rebond the whole boat, I think it's better to at least connect the two than have that not bonded in, just because the gauge is a couple
and this
off.
is bonded here to this through hole.
Okay.
So that's where, right now, it's not bonded yet. So until we get at least some kind of connection, there's no bonding going on. So there must be bonding.
Bonding. Also, be careful with that. See that flat white cord there?
Yeah, that's AC.
That's AC. That's the AC current. You don't want to mess with that.
Yeah,
and
not
I'm
touch
concerned
it.
about right here. See this? It looks like there's a hole there. Right there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's not good. Anyway, we need to have an electrician look at the boat anyway. But let's just get this bonding thing together, so we'll be good.
I could put just some electrical tape to protect it a little in the meantime.
Okay.
You're concerned about water.
All right, so I'm going to film you doing that together.
I don't know what else is all this stuff down here.
Don't worry about it.
Well, it's just gross. All right, well, I'm not totally sure. I know it needs to be connected, but at the same time, the heat shrink needs to be over it, and I don't know.
Here's the problem with our oil change procedure. This is an old pump that used to work, and I guess they would just pump the oil up and out. It doesn't work. And the nozzle is wedged in backwards into the rubber gasket on the exhaust. And the only way to get a tube down into the oil sump to change the oil to separate this canister from this little tube. And if we can separate the canister from the tube, then we can insert a suction hose down there to bring up the oil, which we've done before. The canister won't move, it won't budge. It's like frozen in place. So let's see if PB Blaster can help us to turn the canister so that the little nozzle, which is hard for you to see here, won't continue to rub against the gasket on our exhaust hose. How's it going, Aim, in there?
Saturday work day. We're getting a lot done.
Yeah, that's good, man. The boat looks like a mess, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a good mess, though.
Yeah, it's a good mess of organizing. In order to organize, first it's got to break things down, right?
Yep.
Okay, Aim.
Yep.
I don't think it's working.
Pass it up, honey.
So the pump is like not working anymore.
No, and you know, we did this last time. Oh, let's just go change the oil.
Well,
And then, you know, the bike pump part has no suction. It's just, I don't know.
we should just get an electric pump. How much are they?
Yeah, that should have some kind of, it's not even that old. What is it, a year old maybe? It just doesn't feel like any kind of, and the rubber gasket doesn't look like it's the right fit either, so I don't know.